the Export Supports command. With the hidden command, which is currently only accessible via the AutoCAD console, all primary supports of the active DWG can be exported to a specific path within the Module 3 bundle. During the export process, the tags of the brackets are also exported so that they can also be used in advanced steel. After executing the command, a dialog opens for checking purposes, which displays this special path. Click on OK to export all primary supports. With the Import Supports command in Advanced Steel, the supports can now be imported again in the correct position as a special part. A valid Module 3 license is required for this. You can find the details of the tags in the properties under the user attributes. Enjoy the next video.